Well, yeah, let's be thicker, right?
Maybe, buddy.
Just a pat there.
Put all the meat here too. I can wash it.
Bone.
Meat and the bone.
Different bones.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever. That's how you have the head. It's not the same the steak you got last year. The other one is very marbly. Use your hand, honey.
Yeah.
Charcoal.
Home Depot.
No. Walmart.
You sure?
Yeah. Wait, there is an Home Depot one with a wheel. The one is short, honey. You have to sit down. Maybe 2 steak will fit there. You know, all the thick one is yours because it takes forever to cook. How are you gonna cook this freaking skirt?
Steak, hon.
Hun, are we gonna cook this or we're gonna cook steak?
What do you want to do, hon?
What do you feel like?
Whatever you feel like.
It's not raining. I can grill outside. Huh? I grill outside. You leave to steak? Huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I will separate. 2 thicker steak you got. Where's that? That's yours. I'll take one. This one. This is so nice looking. This is mine. This is gonna be. We're gonna eat steak tonight. The lamb is garbage. The fries is not garbage, but the lamb is garbage. The skirt is the problem now. Tammy's issue. Because that
It's a skirt steak.
I don't know how to cook it. What is stir fry?
It's a steak.
Stir fry.
You cook it like you cook anything. You grill it, you can stir fry it.
Oh really? Can we just
It's
do
a
that
steak.
instead? No, I like this one. I like this one. Hello, it's like a steak, huh?
Yes, it's a steak, hon.
Serious?
Yes.
So that means it's not gonna be over dry, over like undercooked, not because it's thin. There's no way you can do it like careful with your hand. Over here. Need to be cut and yep, that's why Mary Ann keep eating steak and may bone tayo. So magluto tayo ng steak ngayon. Enjoy it. I-grill ko siya. Look, oh my goodness, talagang buhay na itek. What?
Eat myself.
You're not doing more?
I have to go back. I think I might as well put these and bring down. So, yung ibang karne guys is ando na sa ano. Tammy put it already in the, how do you call this? Freezer. So, karne galore gid ni. Okay, galore gid is Tammy gid, karne galore. Huh? So I got a lot to do.
Yeah, hopefully, this is not gonna fit in the freezer.
We'll have to work something out. Itong buwan ng Abril ba, hindi talaga ako makapag-garden sa gunson or sunod-sunod na araw kasi talaga yung araw is ulan, init, ginaw, or hindi man umuulan, sobrang ginaw, mahangin. So talagang ang hirap. Ngayon talaga dire-diretso na ako dito guys kasi ang temperature is okay, 61 degree. And then, the other day, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, mayroong snow na nag-snow na makapal-kapal din. So, unpredictable talaga yung panahon dito, guys. Ito yung nangyari the other day. So, yun, nakita na naman ninyo ito, no? Pero talagang sabi ni Tami, bahala may snow. Basta kay alam ko the next day, mag-melt agad ito. So, itong garden bin na ito, guys, ang daming dahon last year ito, no? Katong fall. Hindi ko talaga nalinis buo ang aking yard. Ang dami pang dahon kasi may mga dahon na hindi talaga totally nahulog lahat sa isang buwan or the whole winter, no? So, ito siya. Nagtapok siya dito, no? Ang pagkatapos, guys, sabi ko, naisip ko, hindi ko na ba ito kunin? Kasi pwede marami akong nakikitang naglagay ng mga dahon, mga kahoy-kahoy sa garden. Pero iba man yun kasi garden bed man yun. Garden bed ba? O yung parang mataas-taas na bed ng garden. Ito sa akin, flat lang naman ito. Lagyan ko lang siya ng fence, guys. Ito na, no fights na para hindi mapasok yung aso. Ang hirap talaga dito, guys. Buti na lang itong ating walis ting-ting, no? So, pag decision ko, guys, kukunin ko itong mga dahon na ganito. Hindi ko gagamit ng blower, no? Kasi talaga mag-charge pa. Ang kailangan lang dito i-charge yung itong arm talaga. Yun lang yung kailangan i-charge. At ang bilis-bilis, guys, kuha talaga, tilok talaga pati ng mga dahon-dahon eh. But anyway, guys, so kuha talaga siya, guys. Ang daming dahon dito. Iwan ko na lang, hindi ko siya nakuha buong lahat last year. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan galing itong dahon na ito. Ang lalaki. Itong mga dahon nakin, di nakin. Ang mga dahon dito is talagang hindi naman sobrang laki. Batsak sa kapitbahay ata ito galing.
You would use crispy all the time.
Just some baby.
Don't get poison ivy while you're at it, please.
There's no poison ivy in this side here.
There's all poison ivy. It's everywhere.
I need to get some soil. You know why?
You were there yesterday. You said nope. Okay.
Because it was wet and it's heavy. It was raining. So, ito yan siya, guys, ang before. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang after. Pagkatapos dito doon, naglinis ako, guys. Ang matagal-tagal, malakalaka. Ano naman mga pinagsasabihin in the mirror, Matagal-tagal din ako doon kasi talagang ang hirap naman din yun linisin. So, dito ako sa gilid ng bahay na ang dami dong dahon sa ilalim. So, sabi ko, akin itong kuot-kuotin para makuha yung mga dumi-dumihin. Ito yung ating katayan, guys. Malinis naman, Okay na. Misty, out over there, Misty. Come on, out. Come on, right here. Misty, this way. Come on, this way. Oh, good girl, baby. Good girl, love. Okay, let Mama close that thing. Put a gate. Let's put a gate. This gate here. I think this is the gate. This is the gate. You get out, love. Okay, giti. There you go. Okay naman, malinis na, guys. Okay na. Kahit nas Batman. Malinis na konti. Yung dahon na lang doon sa labas, Kailangan kong dito, dahon. Dito ba? Itong mga dahon na to dito. Kailangan kong shulhigin. Nagbalik tubo yung ating parsley, guys, Which is maganda kasi nagtubo ulit siya. So, kailangan natin kunan ng dahon. Tabo na naman.